here at Chiropractic Life in Perth. We've got Katie here today, one of our CAs. She's had some issues with her head and neck last night, so we're going to get a check this morning and see what's going on. First thing we're going to do is check her leg length, so we want to see if there's a difference between the two. And we can see just here that Katie is slightly shorter on her left leg. What I'm going to get Katie to do is turn her head to the left. Okay, so as we can see there, when Katie turns her head to the left, her leg length balances out. And what that's telling me is that there's a problem on the right side of her neck, right up at the top there. So we're going to get that adjusted. Katie, can I get you to pop onto your back? Okay, so we're just feeling some restriction right up here at the top of the neck. We're going to get this adjusted, get this moving really nicely. So nice and heavy just there. So I've got really floppy there. Good. And then we'll get you to pop into your front again, Katie, and let's check that. So after each adjustment, we want to check the leg length again to make sure that the functional changes have happened. Okay, so if we have a look now, the leg length is completely equal, nice and balanced there. And then if I get Katie to turn her head to the left again, good, and then to the right, perfect, all clear. So, what Katie presented with today was an issue on that right side of the neck. Good adjustment, get the movement through there, and that's the system all clear. All good to